So in this video, you'll learn how to use the built-in ruler on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So the first step is to navigate to settings, and then under settings, you're going to scroll and select the option display. From display, you're then going to look for the option edge panels and just tap on it. Then ensure that your edge panels are currently enabled. Once they've been enabled, you're then going to select panels, and then you want to ensure that you've chosen tools as one of your panels. From here, you can then go ahead and exit the settings app, and you now want to bring up the edge panels. Navigate to the tools panel, and then if it's bringing you something like the compass option, you're going to have to switch to ruler. To do that, you're going to tap on the three dots on top of the panel like this, and then you're going to look for ruler and you're going to select it. Once you've selected it, you can then see the ruler panel available for you to use on your Z Fold 7. It comes with two measurements. It comes with inches, which is what you're currently seeing. And then if I tap on that option again, it will take me to centimeters. So you can use any of those options whenever you want to use the ruler on your Z Fold 7. You can also tap on calibrate, and you can choose to how big or how small you want the ruler to be. So you can swipe until you get to the preferred size of your ruler. Bear in mind that the centimeters reaches 15 centimeters and the inches reaches 6 inches. So those are the maximum lengths that you can use on the ruler of your Z Fold 7. Now you can go ahead and start using it on anything that you actually want to measure, say for example a box, or even just small things that are around your house. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments about this process, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.